Hi guys. It's a helicopter again. After again a long period of quitting making videos. So yeah, as you can see, I'm back. Also got a membership. Um, Training some agility right now. Um, yeah, I don't really know how I got to start this video. So yeah, also bonus XP weekend has started. Um, so yeah, my XP modifier is multipliers. Sorry, on 1.6 times the normal XP. It's not bad. So I'm training some agility right now. It's going pretty good with the bonus XP. Also got a level in crafting, wood cutting and fire making. Also want to say something. Uh, I haven't been playing in about like 2 months or something, and all my friends has changed their names, so I don't know who is. So yeah. Um, and also Nightmare Rage has changed his name with the big R and the big H. Um, Also, I want to say something about the um, franchise I'm in now. Um, so I heard of my friends saying that Jan left Hopeful and joined the Rune Society franchise. So um, the other ranked guys made a new clan called Hopeful Chat. So yeah, I'm in there now. Um, what else I gotta say? I think I'm gonna do um, a quick bank video in a bit. So yeah. Let me see. Updates. I don't think anything has happened since my last update video. Also, this Town Scout, you probably know what it means, but I really want that gorilla mask, but when there's just that event, there always are the cheaps, and I fucking hate the cheaps because it's just gambling. You gotta find the right key, and if you find it, you can get a mask. But I never get it. Um, yeah. Let me see. Also, oh yeah, farming leveled in. Just I made like just like 10k XP in one farm run. So yeah, I will go to my bank after this round. Come on. Yes, my friend told me that the bonus weekend was going to happen, and I didn't know that. So I just made me member again because my friend told me that the bonus XP weekend came. So yeah, found this guy because it's easier to get home. Let me see. He wants to trip me. Never mind, I will walk there. I hope I'm going to the right taxi. Taxi. Not a taxi. Is it here? Yeah. Let's go. Alright. Oh. Oh, it is Mage Bank. Alright, it's a good place to show them my bag. Oh. Let's bang all my stuff. I don't think nothing has changed because there has been no update really. Oh yeah, as you can see, I reached 90 fletching, but you already know that from my last video. Yeah, let's start. My first tab, just chunk tab. Snowballs. He. Alright, give me a sec. This one. And sparkles. And my aura. We're activate. Oopsie. Alright. So, as I said, chunk tab, fishing tab, mining tab, and agility, and some mobilizing armies, and crafting and fletching and stuff. I don't really know what this tab's called. Just some money, but it's in my pouch now. Yeah, I think some Skiller outfits really. So, or this one. Oopsie. I don't know. I don't know. So yeah, this tab, farming tab. Also, this story I gotta tell you. So I was doing some stealing creation with my friend. I don't know who it was because I can't say because of the names they changed. So I was doing some stealing creations and I didn't know the how do you call it? Yeah, so you have the sacred clay hammer and the volatile clay hammer. And I don't know the difference between it. So I just took this one all the time as I get some tickets. So I asked some friends, it are the volatile clay hammers, which you gotta use for construction, right? And they said, no, it's the sacred clay. So I played some more games, but I got fucking bored of it. And I was so demotivated because I got the wrong hammers. So I got, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 hammers. 15 wrong hammers. So I could have had about 20 hammers for construction. Sucks. But never mind. Farming. Farming some logs. This is 83 fire making right here for Yedinkos. Teleports and runes. And yeah, so rune crafting. Hunter tab. Outfit. And my skill cape. So yeah, 9 minutes we are on now, so I gotta wrap this video up, guys. See you guys next time. Bye.